Grow your business with mobile-first pages that convert leads into sales. Everybody needs a mobile-first page for better lead conversion, opt-in, and communication. KlickTree is an AI-driven tool that makes it easy for businesses to create amazing, high-converting 100% mobile-first pages in minutes. KlickTree is a tool designed to turn your online traffic into loyal, recurring customers by creating fast, high-converting mobile lead pages. KlickTree brings the future to your present, making traditional desktop websites and funnels obsolete. It prioritizes a mobile-first approach, given that over 60% of your prospects now interact with businesses on their mobile devices. Harnessing the power of AI with ChatGPT, KlickTree empowers you to build conversion-optimized pages within minutes, leading to quicker conversions and positive ROI on your ad spend. The tool boasts an impressive conversion rate, turning 1 out of 2 leads into clients. As more and more people use their phones to browse the internet, KlickTree ensures your business is ready to meet them where they are. No need for desktop pages or funnels anymore. With KlickTree, you'll never run out of traffic, ensuring a steady stream of potential customers. With features like referral marketing, KlickTree helps your business grow faster. KlickTree's optimized pages can help triple your opt-in rates, building a bigger audience for your business. KlickTree lets you jump ahead of your competition, grabbing your share of the market before they do. KlickTree works even if you don't have your own products, followers, or an email list. You can easily promote affiliate products and grow your opt-ins with lead-converting blocks. With KlickTree, you're more likely to have your emails land in your prospects' inboxes as they will already have your contact details in their phone. Build your pages with AI power. Headline, descriptions, content, outlines, testimonials, and bios. Choose the type of content you want to add to your page based on a couple of keywords specific to your market, niche, and product or service, and hit generate to put AI powered by ChatGPT 4 to do the work for you. Once you're done creating your content, simply add unique images to your page using KlickTree's AI Image Creator. Have AI create multiple variants and you choose your favorite to add to your page. All this you can create in minutes with 3 easy steps. No need for a laptop or desktop. Step 1. Set up your page parameter for best design, branding, SEO, and advanced page management. Step 2. Select your blocks for optimal conversion and use the toggle switch to turn blocks on and off. Step 3. Finish. Experience all the benefits of mobile-first high-converting pages. Mobile-first pages for any market and niche. KlickTree pages will convert for you too. Make sure you never miss out on sales again. Get started with KlickTree now and watch your leads turn into sales. Visit the link in the description box to watch the full demo and be amazed of the power of mobile-first pages.